Okay, with our hard-boiled eggs that we crumbled, I'm gonna add a package of my tomatoes that I sliced, and that was 8 hard-boiled eggs that we used. Now I'm coming in with my green onion, and this is about 3 stalks of green onion that we diced up. Now I'm coming in with about 1.5 stalks of celery that we diced. Yum. I have a whole package of my real bacon bits. Now this is optional. If you have any vegetarians, you can skip this, but I love bacon in this. And look how beautiful this is already looking. And of course this needs some cheese. So I have my medium cheddar cheese block and I have my favorite cheese grater, and we're gonna go ahead and grate our cheese right on top of our cutting board. This is gonna be so delicious. You can use whatever cheese you like, but I love the medium cheddar. All right, got all of that out. Perfect. Now we can bring our cheese over to our bowl, and I actually don't think I'm gonna use all of this because this looks like a lot of cheese, but I'm gonna use about half of that block, so about 4 ounces. And the key ingredient to this is our mini saltines. Yep, you heard that right. And we're just gonna add that right to our bowl with all of those delicious flavors going on. Now you can just use the regular saltines and crush this up. You can use a club cracker, but honestly these mini saltines are the perfect size for our delicious side dish. Okay, that looks like good. I used about half of this box. Now, before we give this a good mix, I'm coming in with the best mayo you can buy, Duke's Mayo, and we're gonna go ahead and take this lid off because we need half a cup of mayo. So we're just gonna eyeball it. And if you want more, you can add more, but I think that's perfect. Time to season this up. We're starting off with some freshly grated black pepper all into our bowl. That looks perfect. We have some smoked paprika that we're adding to this, but you can use whatever seasonings you like. You can even add Old Bay if that's what you prefer. Okay, it's time to give this a nice toss. Oh my goodness, look at all of those beautiful ingredients in there. The hard-boiled eggs, the tomatoes, the green onion, the celery, the cheddar cheese, the mayo, those delicious saltine crackers, the bacon, and this is fully customizable. So if there's anything in this that you don't like, you can just skip it. But this is a Southern classic that always hits the spot, and we are just mixing this until that mayo gets evenly distributed. And if you feel like it's a little dry, you can go ahead and add more mayo to your liking, but just make sure everything gets well combined. All right, that looks perfectly mixed. Now this is something that you're gonna wanna serve right away so that those crackers don't get soggy. But before we scoop this up for servings, we're gonna do a little bit of chopped parsley on here just for some nice greenery on top. This is optional. If you don't like parsley, you can skip it all together. But I think that this is just gonna be so beautiful for our Georgia cracker salad. Yep, you heard that right. This is a classic in Georgia and it is delicious. I have my bowl here, so let's go ahead and scoop that up. Oh, it is thick, it is delicious. You can hardly call it a salad, but it is good. I'm going for a big bite.
Is it good?
Mmm, 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 mmm.